In this guide, I'm going to show you how to sell your stocks on Robinhood. Intro. Begin by opening up the Robinhood app, and you need to be on the main home screen, and you're going to see all of your stocks if you scroll down a little bit that you currently have right now. Essentially, find whatever stock you want to sell, and once you select it, and let's just say Bitcoin for the sake of this video, you're going to see a little trade option. Select trade, and then in here, you're going to see buy, ladder, and sell. Now, I currently don't have any Bitcoin on Robinhood, but I would see sell on here. You need to select sell, and if you own fractional shares, Robinhood may let you sell by dollar amount instead of full shares. If you own at least one full share, you may be able to sell by share quantity. You can also tap the option up in the top right to view the different order types. For example, if I select this, there's market order, and there's all this other stuff as well. This is on the buy tab, but it'll look the exact same for sell. Enter in how much you want to sell on this amount. For example, $100, right? And then you can go ahead and sell, and you just have to hit review. And then of course you go ahead and swipe up in order to confirm. Once that stock sells, the money will be added to your Robinhood buying power. And then from there, you can either buy another investment or withdraw it whenever it becomes available. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.